Car gadgets that'll transform your driving experience. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or just starting your driving journey, these gadgets will make your time behind the wheel smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Car cleaning gel. This gel is super malleable and can press into all those nooks and crannies in your car. You know, those little crevices around the gear shift and air vents where dust and crumbs gather. The gel conforms to any space, picking up all the dust, dirt, and debris like a magnet, and the best part, it's reusable. Just rinse it off and it's ready to tackle the next mess. Next we have the heated seat cushion, perfect for anyone who lives in a colder climate or just appreciates extra warmth. It's universally compatible with pretty much any vehicle. Easy to install, just slip it over your car seat, plug it into your cigarette lighter, and you get the instant warmth. This cushion provides targeted warmth and comfort, making long commutes or road trips much more enjoyable. Plus, you can adjust the temperature to your liking. 2-in-1 car steering wheel tray. It easily attaches to your steering wheel, transforming it into a multifunctional workstation or dining table. One side features a sturdy tray perfect for enjoying a meal on the go. No more balancing food precariously on your lap. The other side provides a flat, stable surface for your laptop or tablet, ideal for catching up on work or keeping the kids entertained. I don't recommend using it while driving. AstroAI tire inflator. This one is truly in a league of its own. It features programmable settings so you can preset your desired tire pressure, and it'll automatically shut off when it reaches the correct level. No more guessing or overinflating. Despite its powerful performance, it's surprisingly compact. It easily fits in your glove compartment or trunk, so you always have it on hand in case of an emergency. Trust me, having one of these in your car is like having a guardian angel for your tires. Car seat gap filler. It might seem simple, but it will revolutionize your car organization game. We've all been there, that frustrating gap between your car seat and the center console where things constantly fall. Phones, keys, wallets, French fries, you name it, it's probably taken a tumble into that black hole. This gap filler slides into that gap, creating a barrier that prevents anything from falling through. But it's not just about preventing lost items. This gap filler also doubles as extra storage with phone slots and compartments for loose change. So, there you have it, my picks for must-have car gadgets. These gadgets offer the perfect blend of practicality, convenience, and even a touch of luxury. From keeping your car spotless to ensuring you're prepared for any roadside emergency, these gadgets have got you covered. And the best part? Most of these gadgets are surprisingly affordable. Upgrade your ride today and experience the future of driving. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car gadget reviews. See you in the next video.